I have to prepare a lot of information to help us understand what's going on. So, whenever we're doing presentations to potential investors or trying to understand our customers more deeply, it's possible to generate these pages, which often result in really useful insights and just wow moments where, let's say I want to drill down into the ICP, then I can look at all the companies who've been, I'll ask the data AI agent to pull up all the companies who've been through the sales pipeline and analyze them by industry. And then at the end, I get these really clear statistics about which sort of industries convert better than others. And just summarizing that and crunching that across months of data gives you these really valuable distinctions. So, you can say, oh, actually, yeah, it turns out with this particular industry, we have a harder time, and maybe there's something we need to fix here, or maybe that's an industry we should just avoid and save our energy for something else. So these are really useful for improving sales motion. Or maybe it's typical sales organization statistics that you want to track. How are your POC conversion rates? And again, you can just ask the data agent to pull together over the past 6 months or in past quarter, whatever time frame you want, what sort of conversion rate have we been seeing on the POC. So this is all stuff that I can do with a single prompt, and it pulls together the page that previously would have been hours of crunching and manual work. So it's enormously powerful and useful.